day 3. Alright guys, so we're heading to a lighthouse today. It's day 3. And then we might do some swimming after it. Hopefully you'll see more content from today than what I've been putting out.
You probably can't hear us because of the wind.
No, the windows are open. You guys can edit from Chloe.
What am I doing?
You just film your clips that you want in an edit. What?
We're out in the outback today.
We are off-roading. We are doing some four-wheel driving.
Out in the outback today.
Yeehaw!
Might even find a croc.
Shut up, boy.
Crikey! Crikey!
Yeehaw!
We're out in the natural habitat of Australia called...
This is Green Cape.
We're in Green Cape, Australia.
So we've been driving this road for about it feels like it's been like 8 hours on this dirt road, and I feel like we could be in America by now. How am I going to tell everyone that I only have 1 bar of petrol left and we have to get back still?
About that.
About that. Yeah. Whoops.
Yeah, maybe just concentrate on the road, yeah?
Yeah, maybe. I'm nearly just crashing to the edge.
Bye.
Yeah, nice lighthouse, yeah.
Oh my god, you can't even see shit.
All you hear is...
Get them shots, girl. Oh my god, it's so windy. Guys, there's venomous snakes all through here. How do you feel about that, Chloe?
I'm really scared.
Oh my god.
You already know who I am.
Hello!
Where are we going now? Grumpy. Oh, she's grumpy. We're going back to Eden to have lunch, and then we are going to Quarantine Bay and hopefully finding someone to swim. Of course, we decided to come out as soon as they're laying a road, so we have to wait like 10 hours. It looks so weird. Why is it smoking so much? Potato cake.
Hot.
Hot. Can I have some? What are you laughing at, Ola? I look good. We got stumps. We're gonna sit here and try not to drown by the wave. Look at shit next face. Do you want to record yourself now? Yeah, go on, dig in. Where are you going? We've made it to the Maroondah Wharf and it looks a bit tall to jump off, and there's people fishing, so I don't know. I guess that's massive. Look how tall that is. Guys, you don't understand. This is taller than it looks. Angus, this is so high. I'm not flipping off this. That was good, Angus.
Okay, I want to jump. Jump, just do it.
There you go. There you go, not bad, is it?
Alright, we've just driven about 3 hours and we're going to go do some jet skiing. Yoo-hoo!
Slow this motion. After you get off this ski.
Way down.
Oh, that's even worse, so don't say that. What does that mean? Does it get better when it gets past being?
We early start, that's what it is.
Yeah, that's one.
Oh, it's cold. Yeah. Say hey YouTube. Hey YouTube. Yeah. Hola. Why are they so rude here?
I don't know. Make fun of my arm.
What do you mean?
He's like, her window tan, her looks funny.
I wish I recorded half the stuff he said. Yeah, why do you keep saying it's your fault if you die? Can we not die?
I'll try my best.
Why have I got like white dots everywhere on my tattoo? Oh! Yeah, Ruby! Hey! Ruby! Hey! Oh no, you're catching me! Ah! Ah! You splashed me! You splashed me! Ah! Whoa! Alright guys, we're going to Bermagui.
Okay, let's go.
Guys, do you like the sticker I got? I can't show that on YouTube, I'll get demonetized. Look, this is some aesthetic shot. Why are we stopping? We're not supposed to be here.
Wait,
This is not Bermagui. I don't.
This is some island or shit. Why are we going onto an island? Where the frick frack diddly duck are we?
Ew! Don't say that.
Swans!
Oh my goodness!
Why is there so many? Look at that one's neck, it's so long! Judah, 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 Judah.
Sinead, you're making me go off the road.
Gaga. Oh man, this is sick. There are seals! Oi, something was just in the water there. There was just a fin or something in the water, I'm not even kidding, just there. I shit you not, there was like a fin or something. I got it on camera. It was black. There's something over. Oh! Over there! Yeah, there was something there, it was like a fin. Guys, we just saw a shark out there.
No, right here.
I just saw a. Look, are you sure it wasn't a seal?
Maybe it was.
I think it was a seal. It was the seal's fin.
Is it dead? Is it dead?
Nah, it's just playing. I think you saw a seal like yeah.
Whoa, 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 whoa! I don't know if I trust myself. Oh shit, man! Do it. Just do it.
That's horrible.
3, 2, 1, go. Money, money, money. I think we might be in danger. Oh, holy shit!
What?
Look at that crab!
Money, money, money.
Hey! Wait, what if he just ran it off?
I think it's him.
Oh, look at the tree.
Hey!
Good show, Mr. Seal.
Hello! You don't. Angus. No, this is like perfect crab destination. I don't feel safe. How am I meant to get down here?
The seal keeps looking backwards.
What the hell? I'm gonna get eaten by a crab. Look at the Subi in the rain. Sexy thing.
Oh, I should have gone.
I'm not going in this car.
I'm not going in this car.
Have the lights on, look like the shit done. Or it's just going to the hell is that?